Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So I was searching for a ROM and I found this one which is called Bootleggers. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to install it and I'll be giving you my opinion on it. So if it's your first time in this channel, do subscribe and tap on the bell mark. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So go to the first link in the description. It will be taking you to a XDA page. Once you're into it, scroll down, you'll be getting a lot of information related to the ROM. I suggest you to have a look into it because you will get an idea what you're installing on your device. Once you're done with it, go down to the download section and make sure you're downloading the latest version of the ROM. So if you download the latest version of the ROM, it's not gonna have any bug and it's gonna have the latest version of the security patch. Once you're done downloading your ROM, go to the second link, open the G apps. Now select ARM64. For the version, select 8.1, and for the variant you can select anything, but I would suggest to select mini version. Then click on the download button. Once you download both the file, make sure you have it in your internal storage or your external storage. So check whether your battery is having above 50% because you don't want your phone to run out of juice in the middle of the installation process. Now you need to go to the recovery mode. For this you need to tap and hold on your volume up button and your power button, and the screen will go blank and the MI logo should come and it should be taking you to your custom recovery. Once you're into your recovery, the first step is to take a backup. Go to the backup section, select system, data, boot, and select your storage. You can either keep it in your internal or your external. Once you're done with it, swipe to take a backup. Once you're done taking your backup, go to the wipe section, select advanced swipe, select Dalvik, system, data and cache. Do not select internal storage and micro SD card. Then swipe to do a wipe. Now you need to go to your install section and navigate to your ROM. Select your ROM. So I have kept my ROM in my external storage, so I've gone to my external storage. I'm selecting the ROM and just you need to swipe to flash the ROM. The flashing process is gonna take somewhere around 5 minutes. Once you're done with it, now go back to your install section, navigate to your G apps folder and swipe to flash it. This process is gonna take somewhere around 10 minutes. Once you finish flashing both of the files, select the second option, which is reboot system. Now note that this is gonna take somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes, so you gotta wait. Once you're done with it, setup screen should pop up just like this. I'm gonna quickly set up my device. As you see over here, I have successfully set up my device. So now I'm going to tell you what is working and what is not. Now let's see what is working. So off the start, everything seems to work perfectly. Sensors, call, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, data, Bluetooth, everything works perfectly. And this ROM runs on Android 8.1, which is the latest. One of the best features which I like about this ROM is OTA updates are on point. So this week I have got one OTA update which fixed all the bugs. So this ROM supports OTA updates. For OTA updates you just need to go to your Android version and select the update option and you should get the latest version of the ROM. There is even a wallpaper app within this ROM which is pretty good. It gives you a good collection of wallpaper. So the next feature which I really like about this device is the customization option. So this ROM has got a ton of customization settings which you can play around with. Now let's talk about things which I don't like about this ROM. So the default camera application which comes with this ROM is not good at all. Instead you can download the Google camera application. And I'm not sure whether the GoodX type of fingerprint is working. So if you're a GoodX type of fingerprint user, do let me know in the comment section whether it's working for you. The battery life out of this ROM is quite good too. So that's it for the video guys. This is my opinion on Bootleggers ROM. If you like the video, go down and smash the like button. Until then, it's me signing off. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, peace out.